I'm in the workshop for the first time, nervous but pretending I know what I'm doing. There's this tall metal gadget sitting on a big stone table, and it's got a tiny screen and a slider that moves up and down like it's searching for something. I stare at it for a good minute before asking the guy next to me, "Is this some kind of fancy robot stick?" He smirks and says, "That's a digital height gauge." I nod slowly like I totally get it. I did not. A few minutes later, I watch someone actually use it. They place this metal part on the surface plate, basically the flattest thing in the world, then slide the arm of the gauge down until it gently touches the top of the part. And just like that, the number pops up on the screen. Clean, no fuss, no squinting at tiny lines or doing mental math. It's like the height of the part just tells you, "Hey, I'm exactly this tall." I was kind of stunned. Like when you're used to digging through drawers for a flashlight and then someone hands you a phone with a built-in torch. What really struck me was how calm it felt. No rushing, no mess. Just quiet precision. The digital part makes it easy, almost like measuring with training wheels, but way cooler. And honestly, that was the moment I realized tools could be smart, not just sharp. Hey friends! If this video helped you understand the concept better, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really motivates us to keep creating practical and easy to follow content for industrial and manufacturing learners like you. And if you like this kind of simple breakdown, don't miss our previous video on the height gauge dial where we covered its parts, how to take accurate height measurements, and tips to avoid common errors, all explained in the same clear and relatable way. You might find it surprisingly useful.